Hi everyone, today we will be seeing different types of Rubik cubes and similar puzzles. Hope you enjoy the video. Do leave a comment in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Look at the beautiful patterns in this puzzle. Wow, it seems very interesting. This is the regular one. I am sure you must be keeping it. Now comes the oval one with small balls. I like this one. Now look at this guy. He seems smart. What is taking you so long? Come on, kid. Wow, this guy is real speedy. He's going to solve it real quick. Look at his speed. Wow, he is done. Look at his one. This seems to be simple but a beautiful one for little kids. It's the double-decker one. Cube and small balls seems difficult to me. What do you think? Leave in the comment box. Very interesting. I like its colors also. A cute starry shaped with light colors. Is this guy solving it? I do not know. This one is more simple one with colorful spheres. You can also make other things from it. This one is a little different and a shiny one. Here you can see different sizes of Rubik cubes. I personally like the easy ones. This one is interesting as it has colorful circles and squares. Wow, this is interesting, circles and small balls. Hey, this is a spinner also. This one is made from blocks, double fun. Wow, look at his speed, you are kidding me. Now this is a different one. Wow, this one is like a mirror, a colorful mirror. Square rotating magic beans puzzle.